This 6-axis Fanuc M6i features high speeds, a 6 kilogram maximum payload capacity, and a wide range of motion, making it ideal for material handling, arc welding, dispensing, machine loading, material removal, and robotic assembly applications. This electric servo-driven robot has flexible mounting and a 1,373 millimeter reach. The M6i's 0.1 millimeter repeatability can be maintained at full speed and maximum payload capacity within the entire work envelope. The M6i is compatible with RJ2 and RJ3 controllers. The Fanuc M6iB is comparable to the M6i robot, except that the M6iB features a slimmer wrist, which allows access to parts through smaller openings. The M6iB is also 30% faster than the M6i. This robot was designed to perform material handling, arc welding, pick and place, and assembly applications, and is compatible with the RJ3IB controller. The final Fanuc M6 series robot is the M6iT. This robot is a gantry-style robot mounted on an overhead rail system. Rail lengths for this robot come in 3, 5, and 6.5 meter sections. The M6iT robot is ideal for material handling and machine tending and is compatible with the RJ3 controller.